Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the network fundamentals so we can isolate packet loss quickly. First, restart your modem and router, then update firmware if available. This clears transient errors. Once done, test another phone or PC to see if lag is network-wide. If other devices are fine, connect the Xbox Series X with a wired Ethernet cable or switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Wired is preferred because it reduces interference and packet retransmits. Now you configure both the console and router to reduce packet loss at the network level. Assign a static IP to the Xbox and forward relevant Xbox Live ports, including 3074 UDP/TCP. This avoids connection translation issues. On the router, enable quality of service or prioritize your Xbox by MAC or port to favor gaming packets. Make sure no VPN or double NAT is active, and pause background downloads or updates so bandwidth and packet queues remain clear during play. Finish by validating the changes and knowing what to do if issues persist. Run Xbox network diagnostics and observe packet loss percentage and latency. You want near zero loss. If problems continue, swap Ethernet cables and try alternate DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, then reboot modem, router, and Xbox. If packet loss remains steady, contact your ISP and provide timestamps and diagnostic results so they can trace line issues or congestion on their network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.